Hey, what's up? Salut à tous, salut tout le monde, and mabuhay Pilipinas kong mahal. In today's video, I am going to cook an omelette. But before we move forward, I have a question for you. How do you cook your omelette? Is it like this? I can help you to improve your omelette. Here's how. I'm preparing now the eggs. By the way, this is for up to 3 servings. Pero kung matakaw ka, well, isa lang. I will add some patis. Do we all do that, mga Pinoy? Do you add patis in your omelette? So these are my ingredients. I just took this out from my fridge. So pag tinatamad ka ng mag-groceries, so this is the day. It's a lazy day for me. While the pan is busy, we're going to chop the onion, garlic, and green onion. I'm gonna add pork, ham. Nakalimutan ko, meron pala akong ganito. So, para more protein. So, ito ang kitchen ko ngayon. Magulo. Kaya malapit na siyang maluto. Ita-transfer ko dito. And then susunod, itong mga to. Add more oil. Nilipat ko pala kasi mahina yung apoy dito. Yung burner. So dito mas lakas. So mas maganda dito. Na mabilis tayo. Ganyan. Okay. Isi-season na natin. I'll just add salt and my pepper. I added the ham. Challenging itong ginagawa ko. Nagluluto habang may phone sa aking kamay. Ang bango ng niluluto ko. Hopefully, hindi nyo maamoy pero nasabi ko din yung mabango. At gutom na ako. Beautiful. And this is my lunch.